Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So summer is around the corner. We need a nice refreshing drink. So for today's video, I'm gonna make mango lassi. For ingredients, let's check it down. So obviously you need mango. If you can find a fresh mango, preferably is Kesar mango, but since you don't have it, like it's not available on where I live, so what I get is the canned versions. So you will need about 1.5 cup this mango, 1 cup plain yogurt, you will need about half a cup of milk, and 4 teaspoons of sugar to taste. Now let's start making it. Just add all ingredients into a blender. Half a cup milk, and then now last one, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and then now I'm gonna add some ice. Okay, now when it's done, you're just gonna blend slowly. So I blend for about 45 seconds or until the ice completely crushed. Now you can stop and we're gonna serve it. Now you can just serve it in a glass. Now this is optional, but I like my drink pretty, so I'll put the garnish mango and cherry. So there you go guys, mango lassi is done. Enjoy, super easy, super simple. It's very refreshing. So if you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, just because subscribe doesn't cost you anything, but it does help us a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.